basic quiz, and we started from 13. So we did 13, 14, 15, and now let's do 16. So 16 is Carolina no estudia español. So basically saying that Carolina doesn't study Spanish or is not studying Spanish. Um, the- okay, so no estudia español. Juan dash estudia español. Neither does Juan. So neither does Juan. So basically, I think it should be no tampoco. Or tampoco. Let's look at this, right? So tampoco doesn't. Uh, Alfredo tampoco baila. Alfredo doesn't dance either, right? And at the same time, negative words can also be used with the word no. So Alfredo no baila tampoco. Alfredo tampoco baila. Alfredo doesn't dance either. Alfredo doesn't dance either. So in terms of translation, it's exactly the same, but you can see the difference here. So here they have added a no. Alfredo tampoco baila. So the verb is at the end, right? It's after tampoco. So, but here, we have Alfredo no baila tampoco, which is before this, and they say that the negative word can be used with the word no. No, no. Okay, so basically, if we go back to the exercise, and this is number 16, right? So Carolina no estudia español, which is fine. Juan dash estudia español. Juan neither does Juan. So notice it's studia, so we need to definitely add a no because it doesn't study, right? So no, and we also need to have tampoco because tampoco gives that either thing, right? Neither, either, but which is a bit confusing. Now, if we go back, so tampoco is either or not either. So definitely we need to use that. Definitely we need to use that, right? So Alfredo no estudia tampoco. We could have used, we could have like basically gone through this with this example, but we're not allowed to add tampoco because we had a dash before studia. We're having a dash before the verb, which is making it confusing. So it's just like saying Alfredo dash baila and whatever, but not tampoco. So or okay, advice we don't advise that either doesn't come up, right? If we just add no to it, we're not going to get either. So see, everywhere wherever you're talking about either, we're having tampoco. So which brings us to okay, which brings us back to the question or the exercise. And Carolina no estudia español. Juan neither does Juan. Okay, so based on what you've seen, definitely need to add tampoco. Juan tampoco. Alright, so alright, just thinking about something here. So because definitely because we're adding no, right? No to the verb, so it doesn't study, right? So we definitely need to have no studia. Okay, studia. All right, let's look at this. I just thought about something. uh Studia and Studia. All right, so María no necesita nada. Él no compra nada tampoco. He doesn't buy. So we're adding a no, but how can we get either? Which is right. So Carolina no estudia español. Juan no. I mean, if you just write Juan no estudia español, it means the same. Juan doesn't study Spanish. But you're talking about neither does Juan. So Juan tampoco. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do here. So because we definitely have to add a no before the verb, right? That's why we're doing that. And because you're talking about neither in the beginning, so neither Juan tampoco no estudia español. So that's what I'm thinking. Tampoco no estudia español. Tampoco no estudia español. Alright?